The Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We do not see any meaning that is properly sure. By force of our turning to vehicles that are mixed up, we end up in a vehicle for the hybrid beings of this world. We deviate from the meaning of the uncontrived Great Perfection. We fail at the intent of the unchanging secret. We leave behind the river of self-luminous awareness. We are bound in the irons of questing for ideas. In the same way that a butter lamp shines, we do not hold on. We engage with a power that is beyond conditions. We use the Upadesha instructions that are like a waterfall, to be settled just as we are. Just as the jeweled foundation of the earth blazes, everything is clearly the way that it is. Like a red lotus, thusness is beyond attachment. Like a kalabinka bird, we have not cleansed anything from the primordial. We are perfected instantaneously. We are uncontrived, like the true nature of gold. Everyone abides in a single self-luminosity. As with the heart of the sun, our compassion pervades without going or coming. Like the waves on the great ocean, we may appear anywhere, and we are gathered into ourselves. Like a blazing precious gemstone, we have not accumulated anything. From the primordial, we are spontaneously perfected. Like a crystal, our true nature is pure. Just as we look at things, so do they appear. The unchanging has a true nature that is black. The uncontrived dominion of the Dharma is beyond conditions. Like the ocean that bears salt, our wisdom has the taste of true freedom. As it is with the great vastness of the sky, the uncontrived abides in primordial clarity. One who takes the way in which there is no deed or doer engages in what self-luminous awareness means. He uses a yoga that he does not apply or engage in. To shine in equanimity, just as he is. The non-duality of objects and minds is a transmission of meeting and touching. It is the great light of unexamined self-luminosity.